Happy long weekend, everyone. I thought that for this month, I'd talk briefly about saving face, this idea that we are to protect one's reputation by not talking about negative things. So in a family, we would be suppressing issues such as mental health, and it's shameful to talk about such things that it comes to the point where adults would lie about it and would even tell their children to lie about it as well. And in lying, it would be not talking about it or pretending that it never happened. So it's quite problematic, especially since mental health issues have to be vocalized and talked about. I think, particularly for East Asians, we really need to rethink and reframe it so that it's more about the community. The community is telling us that it's shameful. It's not for us to be feeling shameful. It's perceived by the community that mental health issues are problematic and should be not talked about to save face. I think we need to, in some sense, externalize it or disconnect it from ourselves and rather think about it that it's the community that's imposing this idea that it's shameful. So that way we can think about mental health issues as actually normal. Family dysfunction or mental health issues is quite normal. And that's something for us to admit and accept, and I believe would in some sense be liberating to accept this truth in our lives. I'm not saying that we are to admit to the world and share and announce that there are mental health issues in one's family, but perhaps start off with ourselves to tell ourselves that mental health issues exist and let it sit and allow that to be a part of our lives, just like our jobs and our studies or hobbies, even interests. Mental health issues is an integral part of our lives, and I think that is one of our first steps to addressing the stigma and this mentality, I'd say, of saving face.